Hello friends, today's video is going to be about Zoho Form integration with Zoho CRM. So here first of all we will create a form. So let's suppose I'm using this contact us template, and here we have predefined fields: full name, email, and a multi-line field. So if you want to add any more fields from here, you can add it from here. And after that we will go to integration part here. Here we will have the option of Zoho CRM. Click on that. Click integrate. Here we have the option to select the module. Let's suppose we want to integrate it with the lead modules. So we will select here leads and layout, whatever we have in the CRM. And after that, here we have the option to map the field. So that's all. Here you can see it's written that here you will get the Zoho CRM field names and here Zoho Forms field. After that, just click on automate and process management. This we have to check mark here because if in future we will like trigger any workflow blueprint. So in order to have this field running there, we will check mark this here and click on integrate. So right now I have only mapped the full name field here. So from here we will preview the form. Let's suppose here I'm filling the form, testing, mm, submit. So here I have submitted the form. Now we will check our lead module. So here you can see the lead has been created. This is how you can create the form in Zoho form and integrate this with Zoho CRM. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe my channel. Thanks.